Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1977 Dodge Monaco from the TV show Hunter. So if you like those Mopar cars, please see this video thoroughly and let's unbox this car and take a better look at it. And here we have the 1977 Monaco. That's that line of Dodge Monaco from 1977 on, and this car belongs to a cop, but it's rather a civilian Dodge Monaco. So let's take a better look at this car. So this is Dodge Monaco, as we saw, from 1977, with those new lines, just like that Dodge Monaco I've shown before from the movie Terminator. As we can see, we have this front with this double grille, the vertical headlights, this new bumper with the bumper guards and the license plate and all details that are supposed to be here in the front. We have a Dodge logo right here in the grille. And as we take a closer look, we can see the Dodge logo right there. We can see the grill mash, which is very well made, as well as those headlights, those blinkers, and all details that are supposed to be here in the front. The hood, which is fixed. This hood here doesn't open, but still very well made. The windshield wipers right here, the windshield interior, which is made in this tan color. It looks very nice, just like in the TV show. The antenna, which is a metal rod, it snaps perfectly here in this base. We don't have this base in the other police car from the movie Terminator I've shown before. The general lines of the car are very nice, and the only moving parts of this Artisan line are the front doors, which open correctly just like the ones in a real car, and reveal a very nice look interior. This car really is very attractive. As we turn it around, we can take a better look at the interior. And by closing up a little bit, we can see that tan interior with some wood grain pattern, steering wheel with the gear lever, the ham radio, glove compartment, seats that look very nice. They don't have any seat belts, not even the buckles, but they still look very well made. They look like the right material of that time. The rear door, which is fixed but still very well cast in metal with this door handle, and the front door that closes correctly with the door handle as well, made in a separate piece, and the lock, which is cast in metal. The trim is painted on, so it's made with a black color and two chrome lines. Mirror, which is correct. The color looks very nice. I think it's the same color of that 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger I've shown before. That one with the spoiler. One more look at the front, and one look at the driver's side. As we see the open door and driver's door, we can see the pedals, steering wheel. This steering wheel does not move. The wheels do not steer. The wood grain and the gauges, which are basically stickers, but still very well made. The mirror on the door, and as we close the door, it shuts correctly, just like the other one. So the car still looks very realistic, even though it doesn't have many moving parts, just like the other 1 to 18 models we've seen before. Tail lights, the bumper guards, and the license plate. As we take a closer look, they do look very realistic. Trunk lid does not open. It still looks pretty much correct. Rear deck and the seat, as we can see. So it is a very nice 1 to 18 car. One more look at the side, and the bottom. As we can see, this car is very simple, really. Wheels do not steer. Rear and front suspensions are basically cast in plastic, just a plastic base with this muffler here, which is single with a catalytic converter, and it's instead of a dual exhaust, we have a single exhaust since this car has some legislation restrictions. The bottom of the car is really simple, so there isn't much really to show here. Even though it's a simpler model in the bottom, Greenlight really makes very nice looking cars in this Artisan line, so I think this car is very interesting to have in a diecast car collection. So, from 0 to 10, I would give this car a 9. I wouldn't give it a 10 because it doesn't have more moving parts and because the bottom is too simple. The base is too simple, actually. Anyway, it's a very nice car to have in a diecast car collection, especially if you like Mopars, if you're a Mopar enthusiast just like I am. And it's nice to have in a movie car collection since it's very representative of the original car. So I'd like to thank you for all likes and views, for all subscriptions. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to give me your thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this video, about this car. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.